new shoes on? What do your new shoes do, Ellie? What do those new shoes do?
More.
More squeaking?
More squeaking, more hugs.
Oh, nice hug.
Let's go run towards mommy.
Oh my goodness, those are loud shoes. What do those shoes do? Oh my goodness, those are very loud shoes.
Coming.
Here come. Oh my goodness, do those shoes keep squeaking?